good morning. This is your Daddy Char. Siyempre, ayan, kasama ko ang aking dalagang anak na magka-graduation ngayong araw. Ayan, sa may Palayan Convention na ka. Ayan, convention. Ayan siya. Ayan. Uy! Graduation niya today as a senior high school. Stepping up, going to college. Wow! English yun ako. Siyempre, kailangan mag-step up din yung pag-English natin, di ba? Yan ay tsura natin ngayon bilang proud dad, proud parent. Siyempre, representative namin ng nanay niya. Kasi ang nanay niya ay nasa ibang bansa. Kaya ako muna ang tatayo bilang nanay at tatay ng aming anak. Okay? See you dun sa gaganapan na sa may Palayan Convention Center. Yan. Para sa graduation nila. Okay, goodbye. Ayan, nandito na kami sa paggaganapan ng graduation. Ito sa Palayan City Convention Center. Hindi pa nag-i-start, pero dito na yung mga estudyante. Ayan.
Ano po kayo?
Hello. My utmost respect to our school assistant school division superintendent, Dr. Michelle Meca. Ma'am, good afternoon po. And of course to our committee on education, Mother Santa Maria.
512 candidates for graduation of Palayan City National High School for school year 2023 to 2024. From academic track, there are 425 candidates for graduation, 81 learners from accountancy, business, and management strand, 20 males, and 61 females. 74 learners from general academic strand, 39 males, and 35 females. 177 learners from humanities and social science services.
Graduation scheme. Kidding aside, her humble beginnings and extraordinary character as a person are what make her a source of inspiration for all of you who also strive to achieve the best possible. She graduated Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology back in 2012. 1 month later, she started landing on various jobs.
Thank you very much, Sir Mark, for that heartwarming introduction. Medyo hindi ako mag-iyak. Sure. So, to all the faculty and staff, led by our school principal, Maria Soledad Dades, and to our public schools.
Joelle Nunez, athlete of the year.
Parang kukunin ng kukunin. Maliwanag sa likod.
Tyrone Jeremy C. Paulo, with honors and athlete of the year. With honors,
Paras na tayo doon.
outstanding journalist of the year. Anne-Marie Estacinas, Girl of the Year. Rachel Camila B. Pajardo.
akong naglalakad sa kabisado kong daan patungo sa aming paaralan. Bata pa lamang, mulat na sa hirap ng pagiging mahirap. However, my life changed. I learned how to become independent with a great mind. I gave
Honorable City Mayor, School Principal, Assistant Principal, Department Heads, Guest Speaker, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, my fellow graduates, and other special guests, a pleasant afternoon to all. Today, we stand on the same edge of a new chapter in our lives.
Damihin po natin, parents and guardians, ang kanta at audiovisual presentation na inialay po ng ating mga anak para lamang po sa inyo.
That was so heartfelt, mga anak.
We would like to thank everyone who attended this special occasion, including all the visitors from the Division of Nueva Ecija, officers of the Federated Parents Teachers Association, parents, officer of the graduating class, and officials from LGU. We are also grateful for the guidance of all the department heads, our assistant principal, and our dear school principal in making this event a successful one. To all the faculty and staff of Palayan City National High School, Senior High School, thank you so much. To all the parents and graduates, again, congratulations, we commend all your hard work. Let me end this program with a quotation by Anatole France. To accomplish great things, we must not act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Again, congratulations, graduates.
Thank you, Ma'am Sheila. We just ended your graduation ceremony as a symbol of your success.
Congratulations, graduates! May you carry the dapat core values, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, kinabukasan at makabansa. Your alma mater, Palayan City National High School, prays for your future success. Thank you for joining us today in this commencement exercises for the school year 2023-2024. Once again, this is Sir Edwin S. Reyes.
Graduates, please join. Kayo ang matatang Pilipino para sa matatang na kinabukasan ng bawang Pilipinas. This is me, Bachelor Ernel Calao. Have a good day and wonderful celebration, everyone. You now have the photo op.
Graduates, wag po muna uuwi.